Okay, so I'm going to wrap up adding replay. This is the part two of this. In the previous video,
Welcome to Flaming Skulls.
and let's turn that volume off because it's not about audio. When we either die, we get a little message up here on the screen about playing again. We're able to respond by pressing Y or N, and the game resets. And we can play again, and if we pull off a win, which looks like I'm going to have to do that for real. I want to model this. There's no guarantees, but I'm having a pretty good round here. Let's see if I can pull this off. There's one more. It's going to be down here at the bottom. There we go. So if I get to a win, then also again I can press Y and the game resets. I can play again. It's ready. It's ready to go. All the enemies are back and scores back to 0, and I can be playing again. Now at the moment, if I press N, nothing happens. That's what we're going to take care of in this video. So we're going to need one new variable. It's not always that we need new variables, but we're going to need one new variable here. And this variable is very temporary because in the next video, this variable is going to become obsolete. But for now, it's going to give us that little placeholder. Like the play again here in our lose screen and our win screen, we're going to be including that play again in the win and lose graphic. The same thing is going to happen with this. We're going to actually create an entire graphic that's going to be our credits. But for this one, let's call this credit screen, and it'll be equal to a new text. And this new text is credits go here. And we'll use my medium font. All right, so there's our first variable. There's only 6 lines of code we have to do today. So one down, 5 to go. Got that. Let's go down to the key down function. I could make it easier for me to get there. There it is, key down. Nice. Don't worry about the Y key. But what I want to pay attention to here is the N key. And I'm down in the key down function. So the N key, we need to clean up the screen. Now, if you remember from the last video, that was this line of code right here. Remove all. So copy that and paste it. Remove all. And we want to display the goodbye message. To display the goodbye message, we're going to need to get our credit screen dot set position. Did you turn on the Monaco editor in order to let the Monaco editor type for you? Because the Monaco editor is very useful. Remember, settings, change from the ACE editor to the Monaco editor, and you will get that predictive assistance, and the editor will practically type a lot of the code for you. So we're going to set this to our middle width, subtract credit screen dot get width divided by 2. And the screen height, we're going to go with middle height. Again, the Monaco editor typed every single one of those JavaScript variable names, commands. You should be letting it do that for you. And then we're going to set the color or our edit screen because it's a text object. So we'll set the color to our red color. And then lastly, add our credit screen. That'll get it up on the screen. Did I say there was only 5 lines of code left? We just cruised through 4 of them. The last one, the comment here says set quit to true. So let's just do that. Quit Boolean variable quit is now set to true. This being set to true is going to make it impossible for us to press the Y key. And so with that code there, now, and let me make it easy for me to get a win. To get a win easy, I set score to win to, I'll set it to 7. That way I've got to eliminate 2 enemy ships. I got to eliminate 2 enemy ships, and then this code will execute, and we'll see what happens here. So first off, the easy one is let's just go ahead and crash into something, and there's lose. When I press the N key, that's the key with the letter N on it, by the way, credits go here, appears on the screen. Awesome sauce. Then, if I run it again, and I press my G key, and now I've got to get something here. I got to eliminate at least 2 of these enemies. There we go. That's my player victory screen. I'll press the N key again, and again, the credits go here. So that's the wrap on this one. This is all the code that we did and in Block yesterday. And of course, the second half of Block, what the students did in the second half of Block was they used Photopea. And in Photopea, in first block and in second block, here's first block, Photopea, when I press the N key here now, I get that credit screen. See, credits go here. So for the second half of the block, you're going to be creating a screen like this in Photopea and then getting it into the game. Here's the one I made in fifth block. Crash there. Press the N key. And there's the fifth block. Thanks for playing Flaming Skulls. So that's it. We'll see you in class. Thanks, Sarah. Don't forget to like and subscribe.